Cozy decor trends. Winter is just around the corner. And you know what that means? Cozy nights in, hot drinks, and blankets galore. Are you ready to make your home the coziest spot ever this season? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of winter decor. It's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that makes you want to snuggle up with a hot cocoa and a good book. So stick around because I'm going to share some amazing decor trends that will transform your space into a cozy winter wonderland. Now, let's talk about a common challenge we all face during the colder months. It can be tough to keep our homes feeling warm and inviting when the weather outside is frightful. You might find that the chilly vibe sneaks into your home, making it feel less comfortable. But fear not. The right decor can totally shift the mood and make your space feel snug and cozy. Think about it. How your home feels really impacts your mood, especially when it's cold outside. So let's tackle this challenge together. All right, let's explore some specific decor trends that can seriously amp up the coziness factor in your home. 1. Layer up the textures. First up, let's talk textures. Think fluffy blankets, chunky knit throws, and velvet pillows. Layering these different fabrics will instantly warm up your space. It's like wrapping your home in a cozy sweater. Tip: stack a few blankets on your couch or favorite chair for that curl up and stay forever vibe. 2. Warm ambient lighting. Goodbye harsh lights. Hello, soft, warm glows. Swapping out bright overhead lights for table lamps and string lights can make your space feel magical. Trust me, once the soft lighting is set, you'll never want to leave your cozy little nook. Tip: add fairy lights for extra sparkle. It's winter magic in a switch. 3. Create your cozy corner. Designate a little spot in your home as your winter hideaway. All you need is a comfy chair, a warm throw, and your favorite book. Don't forget a side table for your hot cocoa. This is where you'll retreat when the world outside is too chilly to handle. Tip: add a footrest or poof to your cozy corner for extra comfort. 4. Dark, moody colors. Now's the time to embrace deep, rich colors like burgundy, navy, or forest green. These moody tones make your space feel snug and luxurious. Pair them with gold or brass accents to take it up a notch. Tip: add throw pillows or curtains in these colors for an easy update. 5. Add twinkle lights around mirrors or windows. Twinkle lights aren't just for the holidays. They add a magical, cozy glow all winter long. Wrap them around mirrors, windows, or shelves for a warm, soft ambiance with minimal effort. Tip: choose warm white or amber lights for a gentle glow. 6. Add a heated foot pad or throw. This is next-level coziness. Add a heated throw blanket or foot pad to your favorite reading spot or sofa. It's an effortless way to stay warm while enjoying your winter retreat. Tip: choose a heated throw with multiple temperature settings for comfort control. 7. Winterize your entryway with a boot tray. Prepare your home for snow and mud by adding a stylish boot tray near the front door. It's functional yet adds to the cozy feel, especially when paired with winter decor like a small lantern or wreath. Tip: choose a tray with a rustic or chic design that matches your style. 8. Cozy. Up your dining area with seat cushions. Transform your dining space for winter by adding plush, warm seat cushions to chairs or benches. This adds a cozy touch for meals and holiday gatherings without major changes. Tip: choose cushions in fabrics like velvet or faux fur for maximum comfort. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered some amazing decor trends that will help you create a snug environment this winter. From warm color palettes, textured fabrics, to DIY projects like winter wreaths, these ideas will definitely make your home feel cozy and inviting when it's cold outside. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite winter decor ideas? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more home decor inspiration, be sure to check out other videos. Thanks for watching, and let's make this winter the coziest one yet.